Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you all the Nadimane resort at Dandeli. So let's go inside the resort and see how the resort is. So here is a dining hall where the visitor and tourists have their breakfast, lunch and dinner, and also tea and coffee is also available at this room. So now again let's see what's all available in this resort. So we have a cycle here, so we can ride the cycle at the resort. We can play this game. There is a ball over here, and here there is a tennis bat. 2 members can play this game with the tennis bat and the ball. We can play badminton, carom, and many more games at this resort. Now let's go towards the swimming pool. Here is the swimming pool at the Nadimane resort. Here there is a big swimming pool, and here there is a small swimming pool, baby pool. Here we have the chairs, right? If you don't want to swim, you can sit here and you can rest on this chair. So we have even life jackets here. You can wear it and swim it in this pool. Now let's go to the rooms. Let's check the cottages, also known as the rooms. Let's go. This is the dormitory. So in this dormitory we have bunker beds. At one room it has kitchen and it's a very spacious room. At this dormitory, so many people can stay at this dormitory. Now let's go towards the cottages. In front of the cottages there is a beautiful scenery over here with the large coconut trees and bamboo trees. And in between there is a pathway to go at the side by side there are large trees. Now let's go inside the cottages and check how the rooms are there. We need to go upstairs, and at the upstairs there are 2 rooms, and here there is the lake. Let's go. So from here we can see the full pathway and also the trees. So first let's check this room. So there at the ground I showed you, we can play badminton, we can ride cycle. So at night they provide us campfire where we can have our dinner with the warm campfire. Now let's check our room number 5. Let's enter our room. This is the entrance. Here they have kept a photo frame of birds, Malabar pied hornbills. Let's enter the room. Here there's a dressing table at the room. Here there's a tea making machine. Morning you can make the tea. And here they have provided us the complimentary. They have provided the sugar, tea powder and the brew coffee powder. And here even they have provided the Amul dairy creamer. They have provided us the glass, coffee and a pack of tissue paper. So here's how the entrance when you enter the room. And the most exciting part of this room is there's a huge balcony over here at this room. I'll show you the view. Let's go outside the balcony. Now we are on the balcony. This is the view you get from the balcony. You can see the river here. They have also provided us the 2 chairs. You can sit here, you can enjoy the nature, and even at night you can hear the birds chirping sound. You can stand here and enjoy the nature. And here you even get a big view of the sea. At the dining hall I showed you, at the counter they even give us the coupons which provides us with the rafting, boating and many other sports activities, so you can even enjoy them. So they give us the coupons and we should go to the Hornbill Adventure Park, which is on 30 minutes from the Nadimane resort. So this is the view. You get it from the balcony. There are also same cottages over here, rooms. They are the similar which I showed you there now. And there, even here there are 2 cottages. They also take us to the trekking, which will be at early morning. The last one over here, this has the AC room. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon button. Thank you. Bye bye.